Hi there, it's Ben again at Yorkshire Vehicle Solutions. So just some more new stocks. It's a quick walk round of what's come in. So it's a 2020 Toyota Corolla hybrid. It's the Designs Touring, so it's a 2 litre. So finished in Tyrrell silver, looks absolutely stunning. So you've got the rear privacy glass, black surrounds around the windows as well. The 17-inch diamond cut alloys, all very, very nice. So you've got little gloss black inserts onto the front bumper. So we've got front and rear parking sensors as well as rear camera. So going down the sides. So we've obviously got the black cloth interior, which is all nice, unmarked. We've got the pan roof with the opening front sunroof as well. See high gloss black inserts. It's got the reverse camera, it's got the sat nav, and this one's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So very, very well cared for previous owner. So obviously we've got the carpet mats in, rear privacy glass in the back. Again, totally unmarked inside. It barely looks like it's been used in the back. It's all lovely. So coming around, rear sensors. It's got the reverse camera, like I say. This one's fitted with the boot tray in there. Now this also does have a space saver wheel, which was an option. That's just underneath there, but it is all present. Low cover all present as well. Just very, very well cared for previous the own vehicle. Into back there again, all lovely. So being a Toyota, very well specced. Just going to jump in. So we've got heated seats with the 2 settings, high and low, auto hold, electric handbrake. Obviously all your controls on the steering wheel, but you've got your forward collision mitigation, lane departure on there, auto lights, wipers. Car's only completed 24,185 miles, so it really is a really lovely bit of kit. Definitely worth coming down to sort of view it. Obviously, if you give us a ring, my name's Ben. Telephone number is 01423 33 1133. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.